Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Quest for Knowledge. I have brought the question, the complete solution for accountancy. Let's move on with the first question. Mr. Ashok and Mr. Babu were two sole proprietors doing similar business. They were competing each other, and in order to attract customer towards them, they indulged themselves in reducing price of the commodity. Consequently, the profit margin reduced and gradually were facing loss. One fine day they were met each other and decided to do the business jointly as a partnership firm with the intention of avoiding competition and earn more profit. The smooth and successful running of a partnership firm requires a clear understanding among its partners regarding the various policies governing their partnership. The partnership deed serves this purpose. The partnership deed brings clarity to the partners with regard to profit or loss sharing, salary, interest on capital, drawings, admission of a new partner, etc. Through issuing a partnership deed is not mandatory, they both felt it is better to enter into partnership deed to avoid any possible disputes and litigation among them in future. Hence, they approached an auditor to draft a partnership deed for them. Assuming you are an auditor, draft a partnership deed for the partnership firm. So according to the question number 1, we have made the partnership deed. So this is the format of the partnership deed. The deed of partnership is made on a 22nd of May 2020 of Mr. Ashok, son of Mr. Raj, and you can assume any of your assumption of your address you may write as first partner and second partner. And after that, these all are the following partnership deed, how both the partners have agreed to enter into the contract into business activity, place of business, duration of business, that is the agreement, capital of the firm, profit sharing ratio, management, operation of bank accounts, borrowing, and the various accounts, and the rules and agreements they have entered into regarding to retirement, death of the partner in case, arbitration. So they have entered into the contract and they have legally signed with the witnesses. As you can see, the witness number 1 and witness number 2. So this is the overall partnership deed, where you have to write here, you have to write the assumption you have assumed any of your imagination address you have to write down here. That is it. This is in this manner you have to write the partnership deed. Okay, please you may take the screenshot of it, or as it is you may write it. So in this manner you have to make the partnership deed. So oral agreement, it is better to have a written agreement. So for the written agreement, we need to enter or register to the partnership act. Under the partnership act, we need to enter into the contract, which is called as partnership deed. So let's move on to the last question. Arun, Varun, Tarun were partners in a firm. Due to some family issues, Varun was not in a position to continue as a partner and hence decided to retire from business on 30th of March 2015. On his date of retirement, rupees 80,000 becomes due to him. The business had no sufficient cash balance to settle his account once for all. Hence, Arun and Tarun decided to pay him in 5 installments every year at the end of the financial year with interest at 12% per annum. Prepare Varun's loan account on the unpaid balance. So this is the question. Now we need to prepare a loan account because the partner is going to pay the loan in 5 installments. So how to treat the retirement of a partner, what is the treatment of partner loan. At the time of retirement of a partner, the partner, after calculating the final payment to the retiring partner, may decide to keep the capital of the retiring partner as a loan. Hence, for this purpose, they transfer the balance amount after all the adjustment on the credit side of the retiring partner's capital account to partner's loan account. So this is the way we need to treat the partner's loan. So we need to keep on mind that the remaining partner can pay the final amount payable to the retiring partner as a lump sum payment or may treat it as a loan and repay in installments. The partner treat the amount due to the retiring partner as a loan from the partner so that they don't have to arrange the finance immediately from outside. However, the retiring partner also enjoys the interest income in this case. Sometimes the remaining partner repay the amount of loan in equal installments with interest on the balance amount. In such case, we divide the loan into equal parts and calculate the interest on the balance amount. The installment will consist of principal amount plus interest amount. So let's prepare the loan account. So this is the loan account, and in this manner we need to calculate the interest. So the balance is 80,000 and 9,600 is the interest. Now we are going to pay 80,000 into 5 installment, that is per year we are going to pay 16,000. So by that we get the balance by first year we pay 25,600 and the balance remains as 64,000. Second year 64,000 is the balance brought down, and with the 64,000, if we take 12% of interest, it is 7,680. By that we pay 23,680 in the second year. And as you can see, in the third year the balance amount is 48,000. The loan interest to 12% on 48,000 is 5,760. So that we pay 21,760 third year, and the balance now is 32 year for the fourth year. And in the fourth year we have paid 19,840 and the balance is 16,000 for the fifth year. And the fifth year interest, that is 16,000 into 12 by 100 is 1,920, which is to be added and to be paid finally 17,920 rupee to the partner. So what we need to do, 80,000 divided by 5, it means we need to pay 16,000 every year, and interest to be calculated according to the balance brought down every year at 12% of interest to be charged and to be paid to the partner who is retiring as loan as installment of principal amount plus interest amount. So in this manner we have prepared the loan account of the retiring partner. If you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe, and please support to my and do hit the bell icon to get all my latest updates and notification. Thank you very much for watching.